Can you trademark something just because you don't want someone else to use it? Here's another She-Hulk inspired brand protection lesson from your favorite intellectual property attorney. And if you don't already follow me, I'm Attorney Jones, but I help give tips for small businesses to protect their brands. And if you haven't already watched it, you should see episode 5 of She-Hulk on Disney+.
So Jennifer Walters, She-Hulk is the thing that happened to me. You said you didn't like the name She-Hulk. I don't. I do admit, though, there are parts of it.
Let's say hypothetically you come up with a really cute slogan or a name for a business, but then your arch nemesis finds out about that name. You're not selling any goods or services because the business is just an idea. And then your arch nemesis comes out with a product before you do using the cute name. Can you stop them from trademark infringement? In the 5th episode of Marvel's She-Hulk, that's exactly what they did through a court case. But that's fiction, y'all. It don't really work like that. If you don't have a product or service to sell, then you really can't file an application for anything specific. And if you haven't filed an application for something specific with the United States Patent and Trademark Office, it's very difficult to stop somebody else who has decided to move forward and properly applied for a trademark. Saying you don't want someone to use a brand name just because you don't like them to use it, but you have no product connected to it, probably won't work. Remember, the purpose of trademarks is to encourage people to get in commerce, not to stop them simply because you think you thought of a cute name before somebody else did, but you're not even using it. And don't forget, trademarks are class specific. So when you file a trademark, you file it for a specific class of goods. Remember, my favorite example, Pandora Music and Pandora Jewelry. Both have a Pandora trademark. Neither one of them are in the same class. So as a result, they can both be registered. Well, if you have an idea for a good or a service, or you have a name for a good or a service, but you don't have a class to connect it with, you can't get a trademark registration, and you certainly can't stop someone else from doing it either. Now, part of this fictional case was that there was a confusion as to the source of the goods. And there, She-Hulk has a little bit of argument, a little bit more about how confusion as to the source may be a basis to stop someone from trademark infringement, but you still got to have a product or good out there to really do something about it.